London girl.
Honda is a proud
No.
sponsor of Disney Channel, where families are celebrating
No.
every day. London's latest daily webisode takes a joke on Bailey too far.
You embarrass me in front of the entire world. We only got 37 million hits.
Find out if London can fix their friendship on an all-new Sweet Life on Deck, Friday, December 5th at 8, 7 Central.
Where you going?
We're back with the Sweet Life on Deck here on Disney Channel.
You going in a circle?
Yes, it was. Thanks again for filling in for Annabelle at the show last night.
Yeah. Well, today's a
You following me?
You know, as much as I love teaching, I do miss my days in the chorus line.
London.
Oh my! You just kicked so high.
London, come here.
Do you leave the kids
London.
sleep
Hoo,
out
hoo,
there?
hoo, 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 hoo.
I don't see you as anything other than a teacher.
London, where are you going? No. Oh,
Next, Zach and Cody are testing their
London, can I see your collar?
last nerve. The Disney
Let's
Channel
see if I can find your
series
collar.
Sweet Life on Deck on Disney
Honey,
Channel.
can I see your collar? There it is. Can barely see it. Let's go get.
Bonus, Jonas.
Are you? Is that the gift box?
But to us, what was
Okay, bye guys. Say bye, London. Say bye, London.
Give me a nugget.
Okay.